Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to flip the data vertically from bottom to top. Let's say here is my data set. I have the price data of milk for a different time period and I need to flip the data from bottom to top. So in Excel, there is one function which is index. Index function is used to return the values from already existing value. Okay. So I'll select my entire data set, that is from B2 to B19, and followed by that I need to provide the row numbers, that is total number of rows available in my data. So instead of counting our rows, we can use the count function and select the entire data again, and this gives you the total count of your data. And followed by that, I'll use the another function called row function. So row function is used, actually the row function provides you the current row number. So in my case, my row number is 2. Okay. So index returns the value. So the row provides the current row number. What I need to do is that I need to flip the data from bottom to top. So my 19th row should be the first value. Okay. To do that, I'll use 1 minus. Okay, but another thing you need to note is that my data starts from the second row. So here I cannot give 1 as my definition. So I need to provide 2 because my value starts from the second row. So 2 minus row. See, now the last value of my data has become the first value. Okay. So what if I just give 1 as my definition? So you can see the Excel has missed the last one and it took 4042, that is the last second as my first one. Okay. So while using this index function, you should be very cautious on defining your row, because wherever the data starts, then you should define that row as your row. Okay. So in order to do for the rest of the values, I'll just fix my data set using the Excel shortcut, that is F4. And so here is our data which has been flipped from bottom to top. Okay. So this is one method of flipping the data. And the another method is using the filter function. Okay. So to use the filter function, we need to generate the serial number for entire data set. Okay, so then I'll provide the filter, and using the serial number I'll sort my data from largest to smallest. So now you can see my entire data has been flipped from bottom to top. But the problem with using this filter function is that if you have the larger data set and you have larger number of variables, and you want particular column to be flipped from bottom to top, then the filter function would be a good one. So in that case, you can use the index function which I showed earlier to flip the data from bottom to top. With this, I like to conclude my video. Thank you all.